Hey, so this video is going to show you how to use a chain alignment tool. Typically, you do not need a chain alignment tool. This is a 2007 R1. On the swing arm, there are no little notches. You can get your chain almost perfectly in line with the rear tire if you use those notches that are on the swing arm. For whatever reason, this bike does not have one, so you will need a tool like this chain alignment tool that you see mounted onto the chain right now. This tool was probably right around $15. It's for guys like me who just like to spend a lot of freaking money on tools that may or might not ever get used. But you see, it's just a clamp with a long steel rod on it, and that rod just needs to be in line with the chain once it's mounted onto the sprocket. So I just mounted the clamp onto the sprocket, tightened it down, and right now I'm adjusting out the little adjusters, the chain adjusters that are on the swing arm, inside the swing arm, to kind of get my chain aligned loosely, and then I'll tweak it with adjusting the tension of the chain as well. So if you're looking down that rod at the chain, you can see that it's in pretty good alignment right now. So we just want to tweak the adjusters in the swing arm to make sure that that rod stays in alignment with the chain through this whole service. So now we jump over to the right side, and again, this is a brand new chain. So what I did was I took those adjusters and I pushed them all the way into the swing arm, and now I just need to pull it out. So I bought a chain kit, front rear sprockets and a chain. The chain was a little bit too long for my setup. This is the stock OEM 17 in the front and 45 in the rear sprocket. I did have to remove 2 links, so my chain tension looks pretty good right now, and as you can see from that rod, my alignment is pretty good. It doesn't have to be exactly spot on. You're really not going to notice that much difference if your chain and your wheel are just a little tiny bit out of alignment. But since I am doing the video, I do want to get it. I want to get it as aligned, as accurate as possible, so you guys on the interwebs don't think I'm some kind of idiot hack job shade tree mechanic doing a shitty job. But right now, I'm just making the final tweaks and adjustments to get that rod as perfect as I can down the chain. So right there, if you see that rod going down the inside of the chain, that looks really good in the video. So you should be happy with this. Do note that when you use this tool, if you have a chain guard on the swing arm, that chain guard does need to come off. I am a big proponent of the chain guard, so if you take your chain guard off, do put the chain guard back on. Yeah, your bike looks cleaner maybe with it open and your chain showing, but the chain guard's there for safety, to keep your dumbass pants, if you can't put your pants all the way up around the waist and your underwear's hanging out from the top of your pants, you are the guy that needs to have a chain guard on your bike. So pretty much this is how we align the chain. The chain is done, it's been tensioned, we're removing the tool now. I hope this helps you out, and again, put your chain guard back on Don't leave your chain guard off. Get a custom chain guard if you don't like what the plastic OEM chain guard looks like. But there you go. That's how to use the alignment tool to adjust your chain. Thanks for watching.